Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some turkey wings again. I'm not making a lot, y'all. I'm just only making a little bit, really only for one person, okay? But before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, so make sure y'all look out for that. Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
What we have here, y'all, is our turkey wings, and we only have 2 flat pieces and then the tip. I don't know about y'all, but this tip pretty big, so we're gonna keep our tips on this, okay? And then we have our bed that we made that when it goes in the oven. So we just have carrots, celery, a half an onion, and some garlic cloves. And then for our seasonings, y'all, we have some seasoning salt, cayenne pepper, buttery garlic and herb, black pepper, Sazon, Italian, and some smoked paprika, y'all. And I think I got some red pepper flakes up in here. I'm gonna just list them all on the screen for y'all because I don't remember exactly everything I put in here. And obviously we got some olive oil and some butter for when we get ready to sear it, but we're about to put some olive oil on this now. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some olive oil. Just gonna get that all rubbed in. Then we're gonna go in with these seasonings I just told y'all. Okay. Get it all coated on there. I had some time, y'all. I put something here, let everybody but don't. I did save some of the seasoning, y'all, so I could turn it over and season the other side because these wings be fat as hell. So now I'm gonna flip it on this side. Oh, did I do that side? This side. And this side of this one. And this side of this wing, leg, tip, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna do that. So like I said, y'all, if I had some time, I will go ahead and put that on here. For now, we're just gonna go ahead and marinate this for at least an hour. If you could do more, do more. But right now, we're just gonna marinate for at least an hour, okay? I don't have no marinade this time to inject these turkey wings with, but they still gonna be juicy and they still gonna be fine anyway. So let's marinate these. Okay, y'all, so it's been about an hour. We got our turkey wings back out. We just gonna go ahead and sear it. But while I'm over here, I did forget to tell y'all that I have some lemons that I cut up to put in this this bed. So we just gonna put these in here. I'll show y'all what it looks like once we get to it. Let's go ahead and sear these wings. So we're gonna get this pan real hot, y'all, and then we're gonna add some oil and we're gonna sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Oil in it. Okay, we're gonna add a little butter. Let them sear for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and flip these. Here. Okay, y'all, so we're just going to remove this and add it to our bed right here. Don't clean that because we're going to use it for our gravy. So now, y'all, we're just going to pour some chicken broth in here. Kind of cover the bottom. We're going to use this as our gravy. Alright, y'all, so we're going to add a little butter. And then we're just going to cover it up. And so, y'all, we have our oven on 375, and we're gonna cook this for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay, make sure it's covered up, sealed, as best way possible. Then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna make our gravy. Okay, so you want to make sure that this is like about halfway. You want to make sure you just go ahead and flip it in between. In the meantime, between time. Okay, we're gonna give this about another hour, and then we're going to go ahead and take this out and make the gravy. this juice off of here and pour it in here. This is one of the hardest parts. Trying not to burn my fucking self. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the oven while I make the gravy. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some butter. We already got the pan heated up. I like to add a little bit of oil. Now we're gonna go in with about 1/3 cup of flour. Y'all can use onions if y'all want. Y'all can use mushrooms if y'all want. Right now would be the perfect time to go ahead and saute those and put those in here. Now we're going to add the juices. And we're just going to work all of this juice in here. Okay, y'all, so y'all can see it's pretty thick now. It was a little watery when we first put it in there, but you know, you got to let it heat up and let it cook for a little bit. Maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. So now, y'all, we're going to add some seasonings. We're going to go in with a little bit of seasoning salt. Garlic powder that I can't damn open. Onion powder. Usually I would add some black pepper, but y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, I can't even find it. A little Worcestershire. Little drizzle drip. And a little bit of soy. Listen, trust me, a little bit. Get that and mix that up. If we don't give our gravy no flavor, it ain't gonna taste like nothing. Only the little seasonings that was at the bottom, that's flavor, but it ain't a lot. Now you don't want to do too much with the seasoning, because we do have we did use chicken broth for this gravy, so you don't really need too much seasoning. But if you use water when you made the turkey wings, then you can use a little bit more seasoning. But y'all always start off with a little bit, and you can taste it. See what you need, see what you don't need. Hold on, y'all, I have a little bit of garlic. Work this in a little bit. At this time, I'm gonna let it go for 30 more minutes in the oven while I make me some mashed potatoes or something like that. Okay, now we're gonna put this gravy on here. You see it. You see how tender it is. Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out, just like you do every time, y'all. Very tender, very delicious, and flavorful. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.